Understanding the fundamentals of business strategy. Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore the fundamentals of business strategy, what it is, why it's important, and how to create one that drives success for your company. So, what is business strategy? At its core, it's the long-term plan that outlines how you'll achieve your goals. Think of it as a roadmap guiding your decisions and actions, helping you stay focused on long-term success. A successful strategy identifies where the business is today, where you want it to be, and the steps to get there. It goes beyond day-to-day operations. It's about positioning your company for sustainable growth. Now, let's break down the key components of a business strategy. Vision and mission. These define where you want to go and why your business exists. Goals and objectives set specific, measurable targets to achieve over time. Competitive analysis. Understand your competitors and how you can stand out. Strategic initiatives. The specific actions or projects that help you reach your goals. Performance metrics. Measure success through KPIs like revenue growth and customer satisfaction. Businesses adopt different strategies depending on their goals and market position. Here are a few common ones. Cost leadership. Offering the lowest prices in the market, like Walmart. Differentiation. Providing unique products or services that stand out, like Apple. Focus strategy. Targeting a niche market with specialized offerings, like Ferrari. Innovation. Leading with new products or technologies, as seen with companies like Tesla. Now, here are the steps to develop a business strategy. Analyze your situation. Use tools like SWOT analysis to assess your current position. Set clear goals. Make them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Understand your market. Know your customers and competitors. Choose your strategic path. Will you focus on cost, differentiation, or something else? Execute the strategy. Break it into actionable steps and assign responsibilities. Monitor and adapt. Track progress and adjust if necessary. Strategy isn't static. It evolves with your business. Let's look at a few examples of great strategies in action. Netflix disrupted the media industry by shifting from DVDs to streaming. Starbucks mastered differentiation by creating a premium coffee experience. Google uses an innovation strategy, constantly releasing new services to stay ahead. Even with a strong strategy, businesses often make common mistakes. Lack of focus, trying to do too much at once. Ignoring market changes, failing to adapt to new trends or competitors. Poor execution. Even the best strategy fails without proper execution. Not measuring results. Without tracking progress, you won't know if your strategy is working. In summary, a solid business strategy is your roadmap to long-term success. Stay focused, set clear goals, and adapt.